Hi there, and welcome. In this quick video, we'll guide you step by step on how to set up and configure the Xero extension for Zoho CRM for smooth, bidirectional record syncing. Let's get started. First, log into your Zoho CRM account. Navigate to the Marketplace section from the top side menu. Search for the Xero Bidirectional integration for Zoho CRM. Here, you can get a free trial of 10 days or purchase the extension on a monthly or yearly basis by navigating to the pricing section. Now, start by installing the Xero extension for Zoho CRM from the Zoho Marketplace. Follow the on-screen instructions and click on Install. Once installed, head over to the modules and search for Xero. Click on it. You'll see a Connect button under the Xero and Zoho CRM section. Click on the Connect button under the Zoho CRM section. You'll now see the terms and conditions. Review and click Accept to allow access to your Zoho CRM data. Great! Your Zoho CRM is now connected to the Xero extension. Now click on the Connect button under the Xero section. If you don't have a Xero organization yet, and create one in Xero first. If you already have a Xero organization, sign in using your Xero credentials. Once logged in, click on Allow Access. Now your Xero account has been connected to the Xero extension. Now, go to the Zoho Sync Configuration tab. Here, you can choose which modules to sync: contacts, accounts, products, and invoices. Turn on Save Records Sync to sync records instantly when saved in Zoho CRM. You can also enable or disable create or delete actions for each module based on your business needs. For example, if you enable the Create switch for the Contact module, it will sync contacts from Zoho CRM to Xero whenever a new contact is created. Want to stop syncing a specific module? Simply turn off the power button for that module. Now, go to the Xero Sync Configuration tab. Turn on Allow Sync to pull records from Xero into Zoho CRM. Enable/disable create and delete actions for each module for the respective record sync. Once configured, click Update Configuration to save your settings. If you want to authorize Zoho CRM with another account, navigate to the Reset tab and click Reset under the Zoho CRM section. Want to connect to a different Xero account? Go to the Reset tab and click Reset under the Xero section. Before syncing records, you need to map the fields. For field mapping, navigate to the Mapping tab. Select a module for which you need to do the mapping. Default fields are already mapped, but you can add more mappings, including custom fields, using drag and drop. When done, click Save Mapping. Let's test the On-Save Sync feature. Create a new contact in Zoho CRM. Because you enabled On-Save Sync earlier, this contact will automatically sync Xero. Want to sync a single existing record? Go to the Records Detailed view and click Send to Xero. To sync bulk records at once, go to the Historical Sync tab. Use the switch to choose the direction. Left for Zoho CRM to Xero. Right for Xero to Zoho CRM. First, select the module, e.g., Invoices. Related modules like Contacts will be auto-selected. Set your date range. Click Sync. Click on I agree to continue the record sync. All records in that date range will now sync based on your selected direction. Visit the Audit tab to monitor your sync activity. In the Audit page, you can see module name, data flow, Zoho to Xero or Xero to Zoho, sync status, success or failed, error messages, timestamps, and user details. If a record fails, just click Resync to try again. To access support or documentation, navigate to the Support section. You can send feedback or get help directly by going to the Support page. For in-depth documentation and tutorial videos, head to the Docs section. That's it. You're all set to enjoy seamless, bidirectional syncing between Zoho CRM and Xero. Thanks for watching, and happy syncing!